Well, the great singer, a great nationalist, Shane MacGowan, the great singer, left Tipperary and went to London, and he tells all the stories from that time. And this is one of his songs called "Rainy Night in Soho." A little bit different, but it's all about the pain and the sorrow of young people leaving Ireland and going to live in London. So. I've been loving you a long time, down all the years, down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smiled at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we watched them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. Hearts that shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrows. You told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those little girls and boys. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for a future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not talking of the first time, I never think about the last. Now this song is nearly over, we may never find out what it means, but there's a lot I hope before me, and you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. But there's a lot I hope before me, and you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my